In recent years, the world has witnessed a rapid transformation driven by the rise of artificial intelligence, with generative AI leading the charge. The way businesses operate, interact with customers, and manage financial systems is evolving at an unprecedented pace, reshaping industries and creating new opportunities and challenges. Let's explore the main trends shaping the future. Generative AI, business automation, AI in customer care, and AI in finance. Generative AI, often referred to as Gen AI, has quickly become one of the most influential technologies of our time. Unlike traditional AI, which typically analyzes data and provides recommendations, generative AI is capable of creating new content, whether it's text, images, audio, or even video, based on extensive training data. This ability to generate original material opens up a world of possibilities, revolutionizing creativity, productivity, and personalization. Businesses are leveraging Gen AI to automate content creation, streamline marketing campaigns, and develop unique branding assets. For example, marketing teams can now use generative AI tools to craft compelling ad copy, design visually striking graphics, and generate engaging social media posts, all at scale and with remarkable speed. In entertainment and media, Gen AI enables the creation of realistic digital characters, immersive virtual environments, and even personalized storytelling experiences that adapt to each viewer's preferences. But the impact of Gen AI goes well beyond creative industries. In software development, for instance, generative AI tools can write code snippets, debug programs, and even suggest architectural improvements, helping developers work more efficiently and innovate faster. In education, AI-powered platforms generate customized learning materials, quizzes, and explanations tailored to each student's learning style, accelerating mastery and engagement. Yet, as Gen AI becomes more pervasive, organizations must grapple with its ethical implications. Questions around ownership, authenticity, and misinformation arise, highlighting the need for clear guidelines and responsible deployment. Companies are investing in AI governance, transparency measures, and robust data management to ensure that generative AI is used safely and ethically. Alongside Gen AI, enterprise automation is accelerating across industries, fundamentally changing how companies operate. Automation powered by AI is no longer limited to repetitive, rule-based tasks. Today's intelligent automation systems can analyze complex data, make decisions, and even learn from experience. This shift is enabling businesses to boost efficiency, reduce costs, and focus human talent on higher-value activities. Consider the modern supply chain. AI-driven automation predicts demand, optimizes inventory levels, and orchestrates logistics, ensuring products reach customers faster and with fewer errors. In manufacturing, robotic process automation works alongside humans, handling assembly, quality control, and equipment maintenance with precision and minimal downtime. In administrative functions, AI automates invoice processing, payroll management, and compliance monitoring, freeing up employees to tackle strategic challenges. One of the most exciting applications of enterprise automation is in process mining and optimization. AI analyzes business workflows, identifies bottlenecks, and suggests improvements, helping organizations refine their operations and adapt quickly to market changes. The result is a more agile, resilient enterprise that can scale up or pivot as needed, staying ahead of competitors. However, the rise of automation also brings questions about workforce transformation. Companies are investing in upskilling and reskilling programs, preparing employees to collaborate with AI systems and take on new roles that emphasize creativity, problem-solving, and interpersonal skills. The future workplace will be a blend of human ingenuity and machine intelligence, where technology augments human capabilities rather than replacing them. AI's transformative power is perhaps most visible in customer care, where it is revolutionizing the way businesses interact with and support their clients. Gone are the days of long wait times and generic responses. Today, AI-driven systems deliver fast, personalized, and empathetic service around the clock. Chatbots and virtual assistants, powered by natural language processing, handle millions of customer inquiries daily. These intelligent agents understand context, detect sentiment, and offer tailored solutions, whether it's troubleshooting a technical issue, processing a refund, or recommending a product. With continuous learning, these systems become smarter over time, improving their accuracy and effectiveness. Beyond chatbots, AI is helping companies anticipate customer needs and provide proactive support. By analyzing data from various touchpoints, AI predicts when a customer may encounter an issue or require assistance, enabling businesses to intervene before problems escalate. In the hospitality industry, for example, AI-driven platforms monitor guest preferences and anticipate requests, ensuring a seamless and memorable experience. AI also plays a critical role in personalizing customer interactions. By analyzing purchase history, browsing behavior, and social media activity, AI systems suggest products and services that match each individual's interests and needs. This level of personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also drives loyalty and increases lifetime value. Despite these advances, companies must ensure that AI-powered customer care remains human-centric. Emotional intelligence, empathy, and ethical considerations are essential to building trust and maintaining strong relationships. Many organizations are adopting a hybrid approach, where AI handles routine inquiries and humans step in for complex or sensitive issues. The financial sector is experiencing its own AI revolution, with transformative impacts across banking, investing, insurance, and beyond. AI technologies are streamlining operations, reducing risk, and unlocking new opportunities for growth and innovation. In banking, AI automates routine transactions, fraud detection, and compliance monitoring, making financial services faster and more secure. Advanced algorithms analyze transaction patterns and flag suspicious activities in real time, helping banks protect their customers against cyber threats. AI also enables the development of smart financial products, such as personalized savings plans, investment portfolios, and lending options tailored to each client's financial profile. Investment firms are using AI to gain deeper insights into market trends and asset performance. Machine learning models analyze vast amounts of data, from historical prices to news sentiment, to identify opportunities and inform trading strategies. Robo-advisors, powered by AI, manage portfolios autonomously, balancing risk and return according to investors' preferences. Insurance companies are leveraging AI for claims processing, risk assessment, and customer engagement. AI systems review claims documents, detect inconsistencies, and expedite approvals, reducing turnaround times and improving customer satisfaction. Predictive analytics help insurers assess risk more accurately, leading to fairer premiums and better coverage options. Financial inclusion is another area where AI is making a difference. By analyzing alternative data sources, such as mobile phone usage and social media activity, AI helps lenders assess creditworthiness for individuals who lack traditional credit histories. This opens up access to financial services for underserved populations, supporting economic growth and social progress. However, the integration of AI into finance raises important questions around transparency, accountability, and data privacy. Regulators are working to ensure that AI-driven decisions are explainable and fair, and that sensitive financial information is protected. Financial institutions must prioritize ethical AI practices, robust cybersecurity, and ongoing oversight to maintain trust and stability. As we look to the future, these AI-driven trends are set to accelerate, ushering in an era of unprecedented innovation and transformation. Generative AI will continue to push the boundaries of creativity and personalization, enabling businesses to deliver unique experiences and solutions. Enterprise automation will make organizations more efficient, agile, and resilient, freeing up human talent for strategic pursuits. Customer care will become increasingly proactive, empathetic, and tailored, blending AI's speed and precision with human understanding. The financial industry will harness AI to improve security, optimize investments, and expand access to services while navigating the complexities of regulation and trust. But with great power comes great responsibility. Organizations must approach AI adoption thoughtfully, ensuring that technology serves humanity's best interests. This means investing in ethical AI development, data stewardship, and workforce transformation, as well as fostering collaboration between humans and machines. In this rapidly changing landscape, adaptability is key. Businesses that embrace AI with a clear vision, ethical foundation, and commitment to innovation will thrive in the new era. By harnessing the power of generative AI, automation, and intelligent customer and financial systems, companies can unlock new value, drive growth, and shape the future for generations to come. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the relationship between technology and society. The possibilities are vast, but success will depend on our ability to balance progress with responsibility, creativity with accountability, and efficiency with empathy. The journey has only just begun, and the future promises to be both challenging and extraordinary. In summary, the main trends of generative AI, business automation, AI in customer care, and AI in finance are reshaping the way we work, connect, and manage our resources. These technologies offer tremendous benefits, but they also require careful management and thoughtful integration. Together, they are driving the next wave of digital transformation, creating a smarter, more connected, and more inclusive world.